1,000 subscribers. Hold on, let me just do something very cool. There, much better, I guess. This is why you shouldn't trust screenshots. Salam and welcome back to another very exciting video. Well, hopefully. My name is Visha, and finally, after a lot of begging, a lot of struggle, we have passed the 1,000 subscriber milestone. And man, it took a while to get here. Thank you all so much. I'm sure a lot of you who are trying their luck on YouTube, just like me, would know how hard it is to even get your first 100 or 500 subscribers on YouTube. On Instagram, not that hard. On Facebook as well. But on YouTube, it's really tough, especially trying to get organic subscribers. Anyhow, I'll try to explain all of this in this video. So I decided to make it a Q&A sort of video, just to make it a little bit more interesting. And if you stick with me till the end, I have a special 1K subscriber giveaway announcement as well. And all thanks to Subnet for sponsoring the giveaway and this video as well. So yeah, I never thought I would say this, but then again, I never thought I would make YouTube tutorials as well. So yeah, this video is sponsored by Subnet. Subnet is a Maldivian tech company startup who helps you build your dream PC. They are great at guiding you through the process of picking parts to setting up your PC. I highly recommend them. In fact, they are the ones that helped me build my PC as well. If you haven't watched the PC build video, I will leave a link to that in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's roll the intro. Okay, so first question. I think this is the first question that everybody will have at this point. Are you going to monetize your videos? Do you have 4,000 watch hours? Okay, I think if I answer this question, it will also answer the second question, which is, how do you monetize your YouTube channel? There are a lot of monetizing tutorials, better tutorials on YouTube. So I don't think I can top that. So I'm not gonna be going into much details on that. To answer the first question, no, I have not monetized this channel, mainly because I can't, to be honest. To be able to monetize a YouTube channel, as you can see here, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. And getting 4,000 watch hours is the hardest part. As you can see, I have only 1,200 watch hours. For now, I'm not really trying to achieve that. I feel like that is something I will achieve eventually. Just like view counts, it will eventually go up as long as I continuously upload. My only target, at least for now, is to grow this channel more and reach out to more people and help out new graphic designers who are trying to get into this field, so that I can maybe, just maybe later on, make some living out of all this somehow. I don't know. So yeah, I don't make any money on YouTube right now. Whatever I am making, whatever tutorials I am making here is totally free. I did used to conduct graphic design classes in the Maldives, in different islands before COVID, but right now I feel like making free tutorials is the best thing to do. One other reason that I don't expect to earn anything on YouTube, at least for the next couple of years, is because even if I do get monetized, I would only be getting like $1 or $2, because my view count is not that very high compared to other channels. And also, even if I do get some money from YouTube, as of now, I have no way to withdraw any of that from Maldives because of the stupid policies and currency regulations and stupid stuff like that. Not gonna be getting into that. But if any of you guys know how to withdraw money made from online in Maldives, please drop a comment down below, because I really don't know. I want to learn about that. Okay, next question. It's not really a question, but it says, show your face. To be honest, I don't really have a problem with showing my face. I just don't feel like I'm that interesting of a person to look at. And most of the stuff that I teach here, I teach on screen. And also because I don't have a camera, I guess I could record from my phone, but I think that would be too much of a hassle and would increase the workload, and I won't be able to upload as much. Next question. Are you an expert in VFX stuff? I don't want to say expert, but check this out. Check this out. But seriously though, I don't consider myself a visual effects artist. I don't really have much experience in that field, but I think I might know how to do certain effects if I tried in After Effects, because I've been working in After Effects for about now 5-6 years, I don't know. But I do some 2D motion graphics animations. I will leave some links on the description if you want to check that out. Moving on to the next question. What are the challenges that you have faced? My biggest challenge would be not having enough time to really do much, make new tutorials and new videos. I do have a full-time job, and due to pandemic, I'm kind of having to work from home and finish a lot of projects way quicker than usual to be able to survive. And I do have a wife and a family to support, so it's difficult these days, but alhamdulillah, so far all good. Next, I like your channel, but could you maybe make the tutorials a little bit interesting and not so long? Moving on, I'm kidding. I know some of my tutorials might be a bit long and boring, but I feel like some tutorials should be long. I try to make most of the tutorials that I make for even the beginners to be able to follow along. But I get what you're saying, you know. I'll try to make them even more shorter. But I do have a 3-minute tutorial series. If you haven't found that, I will leave the links to that in the description. And the last question. Konkala ihsase kuraveni, which translates to basically how do you feel. It was just sent by a friend just as a sarcasm question, you know. But you know what? I actually feel really good. I seriously never thought I would reach 1K. According to a lot of YouTube growth videos that I have watched, apparently it takes like an year or two to reach your first 1000 subs, and another year to reach 10K, and another year to reach 550K or 100K, depending on the quality of your content and consistency of your uploads. Kind of like the snowball effect, if you have heard of that phrase. Long story short, thank you all so much for sticking around and watching my videos. I have so many awesome tutorials and design videos lined up to upload, so subscribe now to not miss them out. Just go ahead and subscribe, you know. Just click that red button under this video. I'm sure you won't regret it. And you can always unsubscribe me. I don't mind that if you feel like none of my videos are of any help for you. Okay, Vishal, I got the point. Stop talking. Okay, now to the giveaway part. So actually a few months ago when I reached 500 subscribers, Subnet reached out to me and said, you know what? We will sponsor your next giveaway when you reach 1000 subscribers. And as promised, they will be giving away a Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB RAM sticks. I know it's not much, but considering the situation that small businesses are in right now, I'm really thankful that they actually decided to sponsor something. And for you guys, it's just a chance to win a free 8GB RAM stick. You can decide to do whatever with it. Use it on your PC, give it to a friend or a relative, do whatever you want. So yeah, stand a chance to get a free 8GB RAM stick just by following these few steps. Okay, so to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is first subscribe to this channel and follow the link in the description that will take you to this page, and then click these entry buttons. It will first ask you to enter your name and email address. It's very important that you give your genuine email so that we can contact you in case you win. You can get 4 entries by following the steps mentioned. It will take you to the Facebook page and Instagram page of Subnet. So go ahead and give them a like as well. And yeah, you're about done there. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and leave a like and comment down below your ideas about this channel, because I want to shape this channel into something that you guys really enjoy and love watching, you know. So feel free to give your feedback. I'm not just saying this to get more comments. I really do need your feedback on the videos that I make. At the end of the day, I want to improve, and without your feedback I can never do that. So yeah, so I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, salam.
Asking for a sign from you, 'cause I'm so broke inside. I'm feeling lost, this world has me so confused. All these nights I'm praying I